Hello everyone, hope you all are doing good. Welcome to LFI Educates Commerce class Accountancy. So we're in class 12 Commerce Accountancy class. So we are doing debenture. Okay, in the last video I have already discussed one question of debenture, that is the under subscription question, and I have discussed how to maintain the balance sheet. Okay, so we are not doing the whole balance sheet here because the debenture, we know that debenture is a loan. So we'll start from non-current liabilities. Non-current liabilities means what? It is which is not current liabilities. That is a long-term borrowing, and that amount is comes in the cash or bank account of the companies. So we have prepared cash and cash equivalent account. So for that we have to prepare note to account also. Remember that in company's account, when you are asked to do any balance sheet, so you have to prepare note to accounts. Though the balance sheet is not asking nowadays, last session also they are not asking, but then also you have to know how to do the balance sheet. So today I am going to start one questions, that is page number 78, question number 2. Okay, the NCERT book, page number 78, question number 2. Okay, so see the question, what is given there. TB Companies Limited issue 10,000 12% debenture. 12% debenture is a interest rate, though I have already discussed in the last class. Okay, of 100 each at a discount of 5%, payable as follows. See, in share discount question will not come, but in debenture it may come. So see the discount question also. See, it is 100 each, and if it is 5% discount, 100 into 5% is 5 rupees. So 100 minus 5, it should be 95. It should be 95. So application is given 40, allotment is given 45. Show the journal entries including those for cash, assuming that all the installments were duly collected. Also throw the relevant portion of the balance sheet. For this question I will not do balance sheet. Okay, so we'll do the discount question. So application 40, allotment 55. So that becomes 95. 5 rupees is what? 5 rupees is discount. So discount question you have to do. Discount journal entries you have to do. So how will do the entries? See, show the journal entries including those for cash. Okay, so application you have to give 2 entries. So make the accounts, make the journals format. So make the journal entries format. Okay. Here will be the journal entries format. Date, debit, credit, 11. Okay, so we are at date. Okay, we are at particulars. And we are at LF, debit, amount in rupees, credit, amount in rupees. Okay, so put here books of TB Components Limited journal entries. Right here, books of TB Components Limited. That is the journal entries we are doing. That is the books of TB companies. Okay. So the first entry for the application, we know the same receipt entry. So right here, bank account debit, to 12% debenture, application account. Okay, So how much is given? 40 rupees. So 10,000 multiplied by 40. 10,000 multiplied by 40. So if you multiply 10,000 into 40, it will become 4 lakh. Okay, it will become 4 lakh. Right here 4 lakh. Narration will be same, being the eventual application money received. Okay, I will not add the narration for you. You just see it. Okay, that is the narration. Now it will be transferred to the company's loan account. That is the debenture account. So what will the entry? Same entry. 12% debenture account debit. 12% debenture application account debit. Application account debit to 12% debenture account. To 12% debenture account. Okay. So write the amount same here, because we are transferring, the amount will be same here. 4 lakh. 4 lakh. Okay. Right, being dash same. Okay. So now for the allotment, that is a due entry. Okay, we'll come at due entry. At the time of due, you have to show in the books of the accounts that you are giving a discount. Okay, so how will write the discount entry? Discount is company's loss. It should come as debit. So write a 12% debenture. 12% debenture allotment account debit. Discount on issue of debenture account debit. Discount on issue of debenture account debit to 12% debenture account. Okay, so if you multiply here 55, so you get 10,000 into 55. If you multiply 10,000 into 55, you will get here 5,50,000. We write here 10,000 into 5. Discount 5 rupees, 50,000. That is 50,000 amount is discount. Okay, while giving the allotment entry. So we write here, if this to plus, that will become as 6 lakh. Being the same narration being dash debenture is issue. Okay. So now for the receipt entry of this entry, okay, we'll write a bank account debit. Bank account debit to 12% debenture allotment account. Okay, what will be the amount? Same, 5,50,000 dash 5,50,000. Narration will be same, being that is the questions of debenture issued at discount. Okay, and there is 2 installment. So for 2 installment we have to give 4 entry. For application 2 entry and allotment 2 entry. Okay, but the question arises that why we will give the discount entry? Discount entry will be given in allotment while you are asking the amount of allotment. There is a due entry, and discounts is a company's loss. So we have to give in debit side of company's account. Okay. Now I will try to solve one more questions. See, there is premium question. Okay. So the next question, question number 3 of page number 79. I got page number 79, question number 3. Okay. Read off this question. books of what accounts okay. This is the question 3. Page number 79. What is the name of the company? XYZ Industries Limited. So write the name of the company, that is the books of the company XYZ Industries Limited. Okay, journal entries. So I read the questions. See, XYZ Industry Limited issued 2010% debenture of 100 each at a premium of rupees 10 per debenture, payable as follows: application 50, allotment 60. Okay, see, 50 plus 60 is 110. So how come 110? Because the debenture is issue more than the face value. If it is less than the face value, it is called discount. What is the face value? That is 100 each, the cost of the debenture. Okay, per debenture. So it is called 100 each, but it is issued at a premium of 10 rupees. So if you plus 100 plus 10, it came how much? 110. So it is given here, application 50, allotment 60. So 50 plus 60, how much? 50 plus 60 is 110. Okay, so it's given here, the issue were fully subscribed and all money was duly received. Record journal entries in the books of a company show how the amounts will appear in the balance sheet. So balance sheet, you just I explained already, just you do it by yourself. The first entry is bank account debit to debenture application account. Same way, we will give the entry here. Right, bank account debit, okay, to 10% debenture. Is given 10% debenture, okay. Application account. Application account. What will be the amount here? 1 lakh. How 1 lakh? If you multiply by 2000 into 50. So right here 1 lakh. Okay. Same narration being. Narration will be the same. Okay. Being dash debenture is issued as dash each. Now 10% debenture application account debit, same way 10% debenture application account debit to 10% debenture account. Okay, the application money is transferred to debenture account. What will be the amount? Same. 1 lakh dash dash 1 lakh. Okay. Now we'll give the allotment entry. So this is journal of application, write the narration by yourself. Same narration what we have did in question number 1, 2. So allotment premium is including because 60 rupees is there. So how will give the premium entry? Okay. So right here 10% debenture allotment account debit to 10% debenture account to securities premium account. Okay, so if you multiply 10 rupees here, so it will come how much? 20, 2000 into 10, 20,000. Here come 1 lakh. Okay, here come 1 lakh 20,000 total amount. It will become 1 lakh 20,000. So I did 12 lakh. So it will be 1 lakh 20,000. Okay. Narration same, being the debenture allotment money due with securities premium. Now we write here for the bank account, for the receive account, bank account debit to 10% debenture allotment account. Okay, so what will be the amount here? Same. 1 lakh 20, 1 lakh 20. Okay, narration same, being the debenture allotment money is received. Okay, that is called the debenture allotment with securities premium. We have did simple question, that is under subscription, discount and premium question. In the next class I will try to solve more question. Okay, just practice this 3 questions at home, what I have did in the first, second and third video. Thank you very much. Stay home and stay safe.